biojogurt, rahu sinu kõhus.
kui tore, Babyborn, kõik sinu jaoks. Uus kandetool, uus mähkimiskott, uus magamiskott, imeilusad uued riided. Ehtsad vaid Babyborn logoga. Firmalt Zapp.
Esimene mulje võib olla petlik. Sarnane välimus ja hind võivad tegelikkuses vägagi erinevateks osutuda. Tähelepanu kaalule tasub end ära.
Tahtsin kinkida oma tüdrukule jõuludeks auto, aga tema teatas, et tahab ainult Ace of Base'i. Bändi ei jaksanud talle osta, aga Uno soovitas, et võta plaan.
All that she wants. Happy Nation. The sign. Life is a flower. Beautiful life. C'est la vie. Kõik Ace of Base'i parimad lood on nüüd ühel kogumikul.
Sylvester Stallone ja Sharon Stone. Põnevas märulis, kus lõhkeainete ekspert aitab ohtlikul kaunitarit vanemate mõrva eest kätte maksta. Spetsialist Kanal 2 teisipäeval kell 21:25. Jätkub Ameerika üks populaarsemaid komöödiasarju New Yorgis elava laheda sõpruskonna tegemistest. Sõbrad Kanal 2 pühapäeviti kell 16:30.
Of all the times for us to run out of vodka.
Hey, I'll get the phone.
I really need to freshen up.
You look fine. Stay here. Let us greet our guests.
Dad?
What is that?
Senor Douglas.
It's Headmaster Chatham from school.
I know where he's from, Sean. Why don't you go see if there's something you can do to help, and I'll take this.
Where should I put him?
Hello.
I don't care, Rose. Just make Del comfortable.
What is going on? It's even weirder than usual around here. You didn't total another car.
I wish. I'm in major trouble.
What now?
What are you doing back anyway? Aren't you supposed to be at UCLA?
Quarter break. So you must be in trouble if you can't even answer me.
Congratulations, Sean. You were just expelled from school.
Oh, no. What?
Major trouble does not even begin to describe it.
Look, Dad, I can explain. Sort of.
No, don't bother. Your latest fiasco is nothing compared to your mother's.
What now?
Annie.
Gregory, thank you for all this.
I'm not terribly late, am I? Did I miss anything?
Only the preliminary bloodletting. The serious mayhem is yet to come. Why don't you let Rose take your coat?
Oh, hi, Rosie. Now, I should warn you, I was followed the whole way here. By him.
Why is he here?
Why do you think?
I hope you're here because you found out the name of that bitch who was sleeping with my father.
We're still working on that.
We'll find her because she did it.
Annie? The police released your father's body this morning. As per Dell's request, he was cremated. The urn is over there. He wanted his ashes scattered in the sea from his boat.
Which one?
He thought you'd know.
We can make the arrangements later, Annie, when you're up to it.
Whatever. I just still want to know why Ricardo's here instead of finding out who my daddy was sleeping with.
Yes, and I'm sure that's exactly what he'll do when he gets back to work. So shall we start?
Let's do it.
Everyone, have a seat, please. What I have here is Del Douglas' last will and testament. It was his wish to be videotaped. He did it in Houston. Will was signed, notarized, sealed, and sent to my firm last week.
Last week? I don't think he changed his will, do you?
We'll find out.
This is a bit creepy, don't you think?
Yes, well, this is what Del wanted.
I guess if you're all watching this, I must be dead. And my only regret is that I'm not there to see your faces. But before we get to the good part, I would like to thank the executor of this will and my good friend, Gregory Richards. Lord knows, we have shared a lot.
May, would you give it a rest?
I can't, Mark. God, how could I have been so wrong about Casey? I mean, that is, if I'm wrong.
Well, not the list again.
I know you think I'm obsessing.
I don't think it. I know
Okay,
that you're...
maybe I am obsessing. But I deserve to obsess. I turned my entire life upside down for this
Well,
guy.
maybe that was your first mistake.
No, look at this. Everything SB told me over the internet that he likes and everything that Casey likes. Everything matches so far except for the strawberries, and it just doesn't make sense.
You're still assuming that You mean to tell me that everything...
Colleen! Brian! Ma? What's wrong? Sully been by the house? No. What happened, Ma? There's been some trouble at the reservation. Brian, I want you to ride out to Andrew's clinic. Tell him to get to the reservation. Some Indians and some soldiers have been wounded. Treated most of them, but there's still some minor injuries that need taking care of. All right. Colleen, I want you to ride into town with me. I want you to stay at the clinic while I go look for Sully. Where's Sully?
Dr. Quinn! I want to know where Sully's taking them Indians. Just how much you know about all this?
I don't know anything.
Sully was behind it, wasn't he? Was he the one that set off that explosion? Was he the one that got the horses for them Indians? Hmm?
As I said before, I don't know anything. I'll need to take some additional medical supplies with me.